everyone, it's Alex. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. So today we have the second check-in for my low buy. This is a little bit late, but there's a ton of videos that I've been doing and I finally was able to squeeze this in. And I wanted to update you guys on how my low buy is doing. So if you don't know, my low buy started December 1st. I am doing this more so not because of, I need to correct things. I just want to decorate my house. I want to save money to decorate my house. We're doing more things to the house. I have plenty of makeup, so I don't need to really buy so much. And I've been doing really good. Last year, I did a low buy on my own. I let you guys know about it. I did a low buy on my own because we were buying a home, and I didn't do as bad as I thought I would. So this year, I want to even do better than that. So I'm sure you guys are dying to know if I purchased anything for the month of January, and I told you guys it's pretty easy for me the first few months. No, I did not purchase a thing. I know that March may be a little bit harder because I know a lot of things are being released in March. I have a feeling in February I probably won't get anything either, even though I still have my budget there. It's just nothing's really catching my attention. It might be a different story if I get something for Valentine's Day. From Mr. Man, if he's like, oh, just get yourself something, I don't know, that you might see something. You just saw that my friend Lisa sent me a whole box full of goodies. I just have so much makeup that I want to use, that I want to enjoy, that I still have yet to show you guys on camera, that is still brand new, or I just never showed you ever. I bought it and just never had a chance to show you. So I will have new makeup for a very, very long time without even touching my old makeup if I wanted to. But this month of January, I finally, if you've been following me for a while, you know that in our old home, my makeup collection was never in one place. I had my makeup collection in 3 different areas of our home because we shared our master bedroom with the youngest, the baby. She didn't have her own room, so I had to split my makeup from our master bedroom to the hallway closet to my son's room. So I never really had my makeup collection all in one spot, and I always wanted to do a makeup inventory. One, I was scared to do one, but I really wanted to. I really wanted to know what I had, how many things I had, familiarize myself with my makeup, and really see if there was things that I could part ways with. So this past month in January, I finally had the balls to take the time and go through my whole entire makeup collection. Since it's all in this room now, I was able to do that. And I have my spreadsheet here, and I wrote it all in a spreadsheet. I have it all categorized. I have, formulas and different things to keep track of things that come in and come out of my collection, because I really want to make sure that I have a good grasp on my collection. These numbers are not perfect. They're not to the T, because I know that, I remember that I either decluttered something or something came in and then I'll forget to input it in the computer because a kid distracts me or I forget how many numbers. So I know it's not exact, but it is probably 97% accurate. So that's good enough for me. I'm not Miss Perfectionist when it comes to that. I'm not going to share all numbers with you guys because when I did this, it was a complete eye-opener. And I know a lot of people say that pan or do low buys or no buys, that you should do a makeup inventory so you know how much makeup you have. I just did it because I just wanted to familiarize myself with it and really see my numbers. And when I saw these numbers on certain categories, I was like, holy crap. I did not know I had that much of this or that much of that. And I have mentioned in the past in other videos that I am the type that does not declutter all at once. I tend to declutter on a daily basis. I'll come up here as a therapy, get away from the kids, and just sit in here. Just sit in my room and go through my drawers. And I look at products and I'll think about it and I'll come back the next day. If I feel like, I'm ready to let it go, I'll let it go. There's no rhyme or reason to my decluttering. There's products that I know I haven't touched in a while and I'm ready to let them go. And then there's other times where I get gifts and then I know I have to get rid of something in order for that gift to stay in my collection, because my rule, if something comes in, something has to come out. So I declutter on a daily basis, and I've been doing that since the beginning of I've had my collection, but I've been more strict about it this year. After I saw these numbers, I really had to get myself in check in certain categories and be like, all right, Alex, You really have to go through this and really think, are you going to use these things? If you let them go, are you going to miss them? Or is it something that you're not ready to let go, and you can fix it in another way? So I went through it every day and I decluttered a ton. I mean, the amount of products I decluttered is probably either 3 people's worth of full entire collections that have multiple things, or you could say it's like 6 minimalists who have makeup. That's how much I decluttered. If I were to share that number with you guys, your mouth is going to drop. And as you guys know, a lot of it has gone to my Poshmark. If you follow me there, you'll probably see some of it. And then a lot of the others are going to friends and family. So I'm still not done decluttering. I'm still going to go through my makeup every day. I still find things that have expired, lip products. I find things that, you know what? I'm not really in love with you. I can part ways with you. I'm going to let you go. I'm still doing that on a daily basis, and I will always continue to do that. I am not a huge declutter one-shot person. That's just not who I am. So these numbers opened my eyes completely, and it really kept me in check of my low buy, and it has helped me because now I know where I really shouldn't buy anything, where I can give myself a little bit of leeway, and then where I have to really think about if I want to add more, even though it's like my favorite things to buy. It's just, I got a lot of stuff, and it doesn't look like it when you see it in my room, but when you count it, oh my goodness, I will be keeping this file on my laptop locked so nobody ever sees these numbers, because I'm pretty sure people will judge me for this. But so I'm going to share with you guys certain numbers. Bear in mind, these numbers, I added all of my deluxe sample size, mini size, and full size all together. I don't have separate categories of mini primers or full size primers. I just lumped them all. They're all in one category in my eyes. I'm gonna eventually use them or declutter them all. So I just clumped them all together so I can tell you which categories are either all deluxe sample sizes, or some that are all full sizes, or some that are mixed. So I'm just gonna share with you guys some of the numbers of things that I have that either I'm okay with or I wanna work on. I'm not gonna share all these with you guys because some of these is not happening. At least I'm not comfortable yet sharing those numbers with you. But I did categorize it down to, you know, a lot of these, how I organize my makeup is how I categorize it. So for instance, for face primers, I have 16 in total as we speak, and they're all deluxe sample sizes. So I know that sounds like a lot, but they're all this. They're these sizes right here. This is the one I'm currently using. This is the one that I have other days. So like I go through these quite a bit. I don't have any full size. So I want to bring that number down, but I'm okay that I have 16 of them because they're all small deluxe sample sizes. As far as foundations, I only have 8, and I'm so happy for that because I always want to keep my foundations in single digits. I don't ever want to go in double digits when it comes to my foundations, because I am very loyal to my foundations. Whatever I pick to use, I'm going to use it till it's done. And I don't like it. That gives me anxiety. When I have too much of a liquid product, that gives me anxiety. So I don't like to hoard or buy so many of these. So I'm good with 8. I know I can lower that down because I'm using some this year. So I know that'll be lower. So another category is cream or liquid bronzers. I have actually this down to 4, which is really good for me. I used to have a ton, and I know one I will be using pretty soon when the summer hits. So that number will probably, hopefully will go down to 3. I don't want to have any more than 4. I think 4 is still too much for me, but I know I can lower that number down. Cream and liquid blushes. I have 6 of those. And I am pretty sure that it'll always stay to 6. Either they're going to go bad or I'm going to use them, but I don't plan on buying any cream or liquid blushes. That's what I enjoy. That's what I like. I'm not buying any more. I'm good with that. 6 is more than plenty, and I think that's still too much, but they're all different, so I know that I can justify that. Lip balms. I have 9 of those. 2 of them I'm currently using. I have some that are specific treatments and things. I don't buy lip balms. These are ones that I've gotten in gifts with purchases, so I'm okay with that number too. So these are the things that I am comfortable with, that I'm okay with. There's other ones where, oh my goodness, like for instance, my eyeliners, I have since, this is all these percentages are from the time and point when I did my inventory. So my eyeliners, I have, from the time I did my inventory, I have decluttered 74% of my eyeliners. I really honed down and said, look, you ain't using these, you like gel liners. Some of these you just keep for the colors because you don't like them in your waterline. Get with it, Alex, and start getting rid of them and let other people use them. So I went crazy and I decluttered 74% of my eyeliners. And the ones that I have, I am happy with. I may even declutter more from there, but I'm okay with the number that I have. And these are including little mini sample sizes of eyeliners. Another category is shadow sticks. I've decluttered 31% of my shadow sticks. That was another category where I was like, you know, these are cream products. You're not going to go through all these shadow sticks. And I know that I love them. I love cream shadows. But I knew I wasn't going to use them all. So these I decluttered. I decluttered a lot. And I mean, they still had them wrapped brand new. And I'm like, nope, gotta go because I'm not going to use them. And I'm okay letting them go. Liquid lipsticks. I decluttered 29% of my liquid lipsticks. Some of these went bad. Never used once. Full size, high-end liquid lipsticks. And that's me not buying lip products at least for the last 2 years. I can count in one hand how many lip products I have purchased in the last 2 years, and 29% have left my collection either to a new family or in the trash. That, I already knew that I had an issue with that with lip products, so I already had stopped buying them, but to see that number, I was just like, such a waste of money. Another one, pigment or glitter pigments. I decluttered 21% of these. I have so many pigments and glitter pigments. Brand new ones, I'm like, you know what, I'm never going to use them. I have to let these go. So I decluttered about 21% of them. So I'm going to keep track of this. I'm hoping by the end of the year, I print out my spreadsheet each month to see how I'm doing. So I can see what products I'm either really working on well or which ones I still need to really get down on. It's just an eye-opening. If you haven't done a makeup inventory, I would highly recommend it. Mine took 3 days. 3 days to sit here and count all of my makeup. When I know it took me 3 days, you know I got too much. You know I got too much. And that's with me not buying a lot of stuff. I haven't bought anything in a long time. So it's a lot. It's a lot of things. And this helped me to really think about what I wanted to buy. And another thing that has helped me that I've been noticing is anytime I get the itch to want to buy something, or I am having a bad day and I'm like, you know what? F it, I'm just going to go buy something, or I'm going to order this, it's only $12, or they are having a sale for 20% off, so it's only going to come out to $9. That's way below your budget, Alex, you'll be fine. You know what I do? I'll come up here and I'll go through all of my drawers and pretend like I'm shopping. I go through my drawers and see what I will pull out to do my makeup with or play with. And it's like me going shopping without spending the money, because I have so much that I know that there's products that I haven't seen in a very long time. I haven't used in a very long time. And it excites me because I'm like, oh, I haven't used this in a while. Let me pull this out. And I get that satisfaction of, oh, I bought something new. I'm using something new, but I didn't spend the money. So I will take the term shop my stash literally. I will come up here and just open my drawers and just look through my stuff. I'm like, oh, I'll use this tomorrow. Or, oh, I haven't used this blush in a while. Or, oh, let me try this highlighter again to see if I still want to keep it. So I will actually shop my stash and get that satisfaction of wanting to buy something, but going through all these drawers that I have back here and just enjoying what I have. I really have liked that mentality that I've started, and that just came out of nowhere. It actually started when I started to go through my drawers to declutter, and see what else I was willing to part ways with, and then I was shopping my stash to try things out. I actually have a drawer in this desk that I use, and I keep like my monthly, like I rotate my blushes, I rotate my highlighters to see if I still want to keep them, I still want to use them. I don't know if you guys want me to do a video of what I keep in here. Certain things I keep in here permanently, and then other things I'm rotating on top of my Shop My Stash roulette that I do, my monthly lipstick bag that I do, other videos that I do to try to use my makeup more often. But I do keep a drawer here full of things. If you guys want me to do that, leave me down in the comment section and I'll do that. But as far as this month, my check-in, I'm doing great. I haven't bought anything. My budget is still there. I'm enjoying still my makeup. My friends have spoiled me rotten already, so I have enough to play with. I have enough to use for a very long time, you guys. That's it for my my low buy check-in, you guys. If you guys are doing this, let me know. Thank you guys for the encouraging words. I know some of you are doing a no buy, which, you know, indirectly I am trying to do, but I still have it just in case, kind of like I need that security net kind of thing, you know. I'll eventually get there, but I'm happy with the way I'm going. I am enjoying the things that I have. I am enjoying my project panning, which is helping me. It's always helped me to shop my stash. So it's just exciting when I use things up and I know I can do it, that I just want to continue to do it in my collection. So anyway, that's it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for your encouraging words and your support through everything that I do. I appreciate it very much. I will catch you guys probably tomorrow with a new video. And don't forget that a smile is the best makeup a girl can wear. Bye, guys.